Hi everyone, today we will learn to find out the LCM and HCF of two or more numbers. So let's see what is HCF. HCF is highest common factor and we also call it as greatest common divisor. And what is LCM? LCM is least common multiple and we also call it as lowest common multiple. We can find out the LCM and HCF in many ways, but in this video we will learn to find out HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. So let's take some examples to understand it properly. Suppose we have to find out the LCM and HCF of 36 and 90. So first of all, we will find out the prime factors of both the numbers. Yes, prime factors of 36 and we will find the prime factors of 90 also. To find the prime factors of 36, we will divide it by prime numbers. Yes, see 36 is a even number. So it will be divisible by 2 first. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 18 is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 comes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 ones are 3. Now in case of 90 also we will divide it by prime numbers. So 90 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2 first. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. See 45. 45 is an odd number, so it won't be divisible by 2. Let's try with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 15 comes in the table of 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So here we will write the prime factors of 36 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. And the prime factors of 90 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Yes, and these are the prime factors. Now the next step is very important. Yes, we have to find out the HCF first. We have to find out the HCF of 36 and 90. So what we will do? First we will find out the number factors that are common in both 36 and 90. See here 2. We have 2 in case of 36 and in 90 also. So 2 is common in both the numbers. So we will circle down 2. Again here we have in 36 we have 2, but in 90 we don't have. Let's say 3, we have 3 in both the numbers, we'll circle down 3, and again 3 we have in both the numbers, so we will write. So here we have the common numbers 2, 3 and 3. So we will write the HCF 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we will multiply all the numbers, 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18. This is the HCF. Yes. In this way we can find out the HCF. See, we have to find out the common factors in both the numbers and multiply all this. This is very simple. Now next step we have to find out the LCM. LCM is also very easy to find out. LCM of 36 and 90. So first of all we will write all the common factors. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now after writing down the common factors, in case of 36 only 2 is left, so we will write 2, and in case of 90 only 5 is left, so we will multiply by 5 again here. Now next step we have to multiply all the numbers. See 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. If we multiply 36 by 5, 5 6 are 30, 18. We get 180. So this is the LCM. See what we did. In case of HCF, we write down all the common factors and multiply those and we get the HCF. In case of LCM, what we did? First we write down all the common factors. After this, we will write down the factors that are left. So in this way, we can find out the LCM and HCF very easily. Let's take one more example to understand it properly. Suppose we have to find out the HCF and LCM of 145 and 232. So first step is same. First we have to find out the prime factors of 145 and 232. See 145 This is a odd number, so it won't be divisible by 2. Let's try with 3. 3 4s are 12, 25. It's also not divisible by 3. So let's try with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. 29. 29 is a prime number, so it will go by 29 itself. Now in case of 232, see, this is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 2 6s are 12. Again by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now 29 will go by itself, 29 1s are 29. So here we will write the prime factors of 145 is equal to 5 multiplied 29. And prime factors of 232 is equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 29. Next step, we have to find out the HCF of 145 and 232. So what we will do to find the HCF? We have to find out the common factors. See here, in case of see here we have only 29 as a common factor. So we will write at 29 here. HCF is 29. Now we will find out the LCM. LCM of 145 and 232. So first we will write down the common factor. Here 29 is common. 29 we write here. After this we have to write down the factors that are not common. Yes, in case of 145 we have only 5. So write 5 here. Multiply. In case of 232, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So now we will multiply all the numbers. 5 2s are 10, 4s are 40, 40 multiplied 29, 4 9s are 36, 4 2s are 8, 11, 0. So this is a LCM of 145 and 232. So in this way you can find out the LCM and HCF very easily. So keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.